Okay students, good morning to all of you. So last class we completed in exercise 3.3 11 problems completed. In exercise 3.3 11 problems completed. Next continuation, so we will discuss some theory points. So next we move into that problems. So before that, before starting exercise problems, so you have to see some formulas. Put that heading: transformations. So first formula: sin x plus y plus sin x minus y, it is equal to 2 sin x cos 2 sin x cos. Second formula: sin x plus y minus sin x minus y equal to 2 cos x sin y. 2 cos x sin y. So third one: cos x plus y plus cos x minus y equal to 2 cos x cos y. Next fourth formula: cos x minus y minus cos x minus y equal to minus 2 sin x sin y. Minus 2 sin x sin y. So these four formulas, first one, sin x plus y plus sin x minus y equal to 2 sin x cos y. Next one, sin x plus y minus sin x minus y equal to 2 cos x sin y. Next, cos x plus y plus cos x minus y equal to 2 cos x cos y. Next, fourth one, cos x minus y minus cos x plus y. Cos x plus y minus cos x minus y equal to 2 minus 2 sin x sin. Next, same related formulas. Next, this one, sin x plus sin y, it is equal to 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. Next one, sixth one, sin x minus sin y equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. X minus y by 2. Next one, seventh one, cos x plus cos y equal to 2 cos x plus y divided by 2 cos x minus y divided by 2. Eighth one, cos x minus cos y equal to minus 2 sin x plus y divided by 2 sin x minus y divided by 2. So by heart these 8 formulas. So they won't ask proofs. So just you note down all formulas, 8 formulas. These are transformation formulas. First 4, 1 to 4 is sum into product. Next 4, next 5, 6, 7, 8. These are sum into product. So read these formulas. And next, see continuation. Question number 12. Question number 12 you see. Question number 12. Exercise question number 12. Exercise 3.3. Question number 12. In question number 12, what given? Sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. It is equal to sin 2x into sin 10x. That is our prove that sin square 6x minus sin square 4x equal to sin 2x sin 10x. You are going to prove that value. So sin 2x sin 10x we are going to prove that value. See, sin square 6x sin square 4x. Will you get any formula on this one? Did you find? We know that one formula. We know that sin a plus b into sin a minus b, it is equal to formula sin square a minus sin square. We know this formula. So sin a plus b, sin a minus b, you know that formulas. Then simplify this value. Okay, na? This proof also I will simplify. See now, proof of this one. This node point proof you have to simplify. This proof, then we will write the solution. So take that LHS value. Sin a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b into sin a cos b minus cos a sin. So you have to prove this, then we have to apply, then you have to simplify this problem. See this proof, sin a cos b, first value, sin a cos b. Next cos a sin b. So this is I will consider x, this is I will consider y. So x, y. So this is x plus y, this is x minus y. So what happens? This is sin a cos b whole square minus cos a sin b whole square. A square minus b square. See that simplification. Sin a plus b, sin a minus b, it is equal to, this is sin square a, again sin square a, cos square b means 1 minus sin square b, minus, this is cos square a, you should write 1 minus sin square a into sin square b. Now simplify this, these two multiply, sin square a minus sin square a into sin square b. So again multiply with minus sin square b. What happens? minus sin square b minus sin square b minus into minus plus sin square a sin square b. Then it is simplified. This is a negative value, this is a positive value, both should be cancelled. So what is our solution? Sin square a minus sin square b. So what is our formula? Sin a plus b into sin a minus. So this formula is proved. Now this formula we left already proved in this problem. So now you have to write the solution of your question. Now you have to write the solution of your question. See what is our question? Sin square given sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. So comparing to this formula, so a is equal to what? A is equal to what? 6x. B is equal to what? 4x. B is equal to what? 4x. Now sin of a value is what? 6x. 6x plus what is b? 4x. A plus b into sin of 6x minus 4x. So you compare to this formula, a equal to 6x, b is equal to 4x. Now you apply here. So sin of 6x plus 4x, sin of 6x minus 4x. Now simplify. Sin of 6 plus 4 10x into sin of, so 6 minus 4 means 2x. So that is our solution. That is our final solution. Understand? Only this shortcut. Okay, you know this formula, you can write very easily this solution. Note down fast. Next one. Next same result. One more result. Cos a plus b into cos a minus b. So you do this simplification. Cos a plus b into cos a minus b. You have to simplify this result. You have to write the solution. Same like that. So take that RHS value. I will prove and write the value. Take that LHS value. Cos a plus b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Into cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So what happens? This is cos a cos b. This is x. This is y. This is x. This is y. Then you apply that formula: x plus y, x minus y. Cos a cos b whole square minus sin a sin b whole square, x square minus y square. Now cos a square, this cos square b you converted into sin, means what happens? 1 minus sin square b minus here remaining what? Here sin square a. So next one is sin square b. As it is you keep on sin square b as it is you keep on. So sin square b as it is you keep on. So sin square a value you have to convert it. So what happens? That is 1 minus cos square a. 1 minus cos square a. You should convert in terms of cos. So here this value changed, here this value changed. Now you see simplification. Cos square A minus cos square A into sin square B minus is multiplied minus sin square B minus into minus plus sin square B cos square A. Cos square A. Now see any simplification. Cos square A, sorry. Cos square A sin square B. Cos square A sin square B. This is a negative, this is a positive. Both will be cancelled. Remaining cos square A minus sin square B. So this is the formula of, so you have to write here cos square A minus sin square B. So that is our result. Same like that, sin A plus B, sin A minus B. Same like that we did another result. What is that? Cos square A minus sin square B. This is the value of cos A plus B cos A minus B. So this is our one of the result, one of the formula also. One of the formula also. Go down fast. So based on that result, we will do question number 13. See all of you. Question number 13. See all of you. I will do question number 13. Question number 13. So what given? Cos square 2x minus cos square 6x equal to sin 4x into sin 8x. So here both are given in cos, means we have no formula. Both are given in cos means we have no formula. So then what we have to do? You have to convert it both in sin. You see LHS equal to, so as it is written, cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. So it is equal to cos square 2x means 1 minus sin square 2x. Sin square 2x minus, so this is cos square 6x means 1 minus sin square 6x. I did both should be converted in terms of sin. So for cos A plus B, cos A minus B, what is that formula? 1 is cos, 1 is sin. So it is not possible. So it will be little bit complicated. That's why these two causes we have no formula. You should be converted into sin. Then you have to see. So 1 minus sin square 2x minus 1 minus plus sin square 6x. So 1 minus 1 should be cancelled. Remaining positive value right first. Sin square 6x minus sin square 2x. Sin square 2x. Sin square A minus sin square B. What is our formula? Sin square A minus sin square B. What is our formula? Sin A plus B sin A minus sin A plus B sin A minus B. You apply that formula. So what happens? Sin A is equal to 6x, B is equal to 2x into sin 6x minus 2x, A minus B. So simplified sin 8x into sin 4x. So that is our solution. So it is cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. So this is our solution. This is our solution. Note down fast. This is our solution. Note down fast. For two causes, two signs, you have to use the same formula. One cos, one sign means we have to use a different formula. Result. Before that I explained one result. We can use that result. Next question. 14th one. Sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x equal to 2 cos square x into sin 4x. Listen these two. So you are taking LHS value, prove RHS value. So 4 cos square x sin 4x. Now I was given 8 formulas now. Today I was given at the starting 8 formulas. So in that 8 formulas you have to see. So you take that LHS value. What is our LHS value? Sin 2x plus sin 6x plus 2 sin 4x. So here 2x, 4x, 6x. So 3 values are there. So you can separate it into 2. You have to take one pair. 2 means greatest, smallest angle, greatest angle. I will take one pair. So I will take, this is one pair. So in that pair, so in this pair you have to apply sin x plus sin y formula is what? Sin x plus sin y formula is what? Sin y. So what is our formula? So 2 sin x plus y divided by 2 cos x minus y divided by 2. X minus y divided by 2. You apply that formula for these two values. First these two values you apply this formula. X means you take 2x, y means you have to 6x. Both are adding means that is your choice. So you consider 6x is x or 2x is y. That is your choice. So I will apply that formula. 2 sin, first you write big angle, so 6x plus 2x divided by 2 cos 6x minus 2x divided by 2 plus third value write as it is 2 sin 4x. Third value write as it is. See here, for first two only I applied transformations 8 formulas. Among 8 formulas I used only one formula, that is fifth one maybe. Fifth formula I used. Now 2 sin, so 6x plus 2x, 8x. 8x divided by 2, 4x into cos 6x minus 2x, 4x. 4x divided by 2, 2x. So 2 sin 4x. These, among these terms, which value common? 2 sin 4x should be common. So what happens? 2 sin 4x will be common. So what is remaining? Cos 2x plus 1. Cos 2x plus 1 is remaining. Now in your solution cos square is there. So this is the fourth one. Modify that question. Question that one 4 is there. Modify that question. So cos square is there. So cos square is there in our solution for cos square. Then what we have to do? So 2 sin 4x bracket of cos 2x. We have 4 formulas. Cos 2x we have 4 formulas. In that one, which one we have to substitute? That is our doubt. So in your RHS value, what is there? Cos square is there, sin 4x is there. Already sin 4x came. So what is required? Still cos square. So cos 2x formula you have to substitute. Cos 2x formula you have to substitute 2 cos square x minus 1. 2 cos square x minus 1 you have to take. So substituted here. So 2 cos square x minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Remaining what? So 2 into 2 4. So sin 4x into cos square x. 4 sin 4x into cos square x is your solution. 4 is there, sin 4x is there, cos square x is there. So whatever the order. So all values are there or not? All values are multiplying each other. So note down fast. Note down fast. Next one. 15th one. Cot 4x bracket of sin 5x plus sin 3x, it is equal to cot x bracket of sin 5x minus sin 3x. So this one you are going to do. So here you take LHS equal to RHS you are going to prove. So first I will simplify LHS value. Take that LHS value. So LHS is what? Cot 4x bracket of sin 5x plus sin 3x. I took LHS value. So cot 4x bracket of, so you apply sin x plus sin y formula. Sin x plus bracket value, sin x plus sin y formula. So what is that? 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. So you apply for bracket value this formula. So what happens? 2 sin 5x plus 3x divided by 2 into cos 5x minus 3x divided by 2. You apply that formula, beside formula. So what formula we used here? So the same formula I was written here. Next, cot 4x bracket of 2 into sin. So what is that value? 5x plus 3x divided by 2. 8x divided by 2 means 4x into, so 5x minus 3x, 2x divided by 2, x. Again you have to modify again. Cot 4x can be written as in terms of sin cos. So cos 4x divided by sin 4x. So into this value 2 sin 4x into cos x. Again you should modify it. Sin 4x cancel. So remaining what? So 2 cos 4x into cos x. So this is our LHS value. This is our LHS value. So what is our LHS answer? So 2 cos 4x into cos x. 2 cos 4x into cos x. That is our LHS solution. Same as it is a procedure you have to do in RHS side also. Same as it is a procedure you have to do in RHS side. So note down fast. Note down fast. Now take that RHS value. So what is our RHS value? RHS value take RHS equal to cot x. So inside bracket value sin 5x minus sin 3x. So cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. What is our formula? Sin x minus sin y. What is our formula? 2 cos x plus y divided by 2 sin x minus y divided by, that is our transformation formula. That is our transformation formula. So apply that one. What happens? 2 cos 5x plus 3x divided by 2 sin 5x minus 3x divided by 2. So what happens again? So cot x. So cot x can be written as cos x divided by sin x into, so 2. So this is the bracket only, all values are multiplying each other. You remove that bracket. What happens again? 2 into cos 5x plus 3x. 8x by 2 means cos 4x into 5x minus 3x is 2x. Sin 2x divided by 2 means sin x. So what values cancel? Sin x will be cancelled. Remaining what? So 2 into cos 4x into cos x. So this is your RHS value. That is your RHS value. So LHS value also you got same. LHS value also got same. Therefore final step you write LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Okay na? This is the one of the different process. Okay na? Some cases in some problems we took LHS value, we proved RHS value. Here not like that. So LHS value you take, you are getting one solution. You take RHS value, will get that solution. So both should be equal. Middle of the solution will be equal. So you have to write LHS equal to RHS. This is the one of the special and different problem. Right? Note down fast. Note down. Next question, 16th one. Prove that cos 9x minus, these are very important problems, these models are cos 9x cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x. It is equal to minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x. Cos 10x. Cos 10x. See this problem. You apply that formulas. So cos C, cos x minus cos y. You take the LHS value. So what is our LHS value as it is? So cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x. So I was given 8 transformation formulas today. So in that, so which is needed to your formula? So cos x minus cos y formula you see all of you. Cos x minus cos y you see all of you. So what is our formula? So minus 2 sin 9x plus 5x divided by 2. So sin 9x minus 5x divided by 2. You apply this formula. Whole divided by sin x minus sin y formula. Sin x minus sin y formula. So 2 cos 17x plus 3x divided by 2 into sin 17x minus 3x divided by 2. So you apply transformation formulas. See once again, cos x minus cos y formula applied. Minus 2 sin x plus y divided by 2 sin x minus y divided by 2. X, y is different. Similarly, sin x minus sin y. So sin y. So 2 cos x plus y divided by 2 sin x minus y divided by 2. I used transformation formula. Each and every problem, it is depending on only formula. Nothing is there. 2 get cancelled, minus sin 9x plus 5x is 14x. 14x divided by 2 means 7x. 14x divided by 2 means 7x. 7x into so this value 9x minus 5x means 4x. 4x divided by 2 means sin 2x. Whole divided by cos 17x, here minus is there. So 17x plus 3x means 20x. 20 by 2, 10x. Into, so sin 17x minus 3x means 14x. 14x divided by 2 means 7x. 14x divided by 2 means 7x. Next, any simplification? Sin 7x will be cancelled. Remaining, so minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x. These type of models are very important. So that is our solution. So minus sin 2x divided by minus 2 sin x divided by cos 10x. That is our solution. Note down fast. You read all formulas. You have to practice each and every formula, then only you understand. So directly you have seen means you did not understand. So read 8 formulas. Each and every one is depending on those formulas only. You have to, every time you have to compare those formulas. Then what step you are writing. Every time you have to look up those formulas. Next one. Seventeenth one. Sin 5x plus sin 3x divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x. It is equal to tan 4x. It is equal to tan 4x you are going to prove. Tan 4x you are going to prove. Listen carefully. So take the LHS value. Sin 5x plus sin 3x divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x. So you have already formulas, transformation formulas. You have to see. From fifth onwards you see. Sin x plus sin y. What is our formula? 2 sin 5x plus 3x divided by 2 cos 5x minus 3x divided by 2. Then whole divided by, again you see seventh formula. So cos 2 cos 5x plus 3x divided by 2 cos 5x minus 3x divided by 2. So is there any simplification you have to observe? Is there any simplification? 2 get cancelled. Cos 5x minus 3x by 2, 5x minus 3x. These two values are same. So it should be cancelled. These two values will be cancelled directly. So now remaining sin 5x minus 3x means 8x. 8x divided by 2 means 4x. Again in denominator. So cos, this is also 5x plus 3x divided by 2 means 8x. 8x divided by 2 means 4x. So what is our solution? Sin by cos and the same angle. So answer is tan 4x. Answer is tan 4x. This is also important problem. This is also very important problem. No doubt. Right? Next one. Same like that you have to do one homework problem. Same like that. You do one homework problem. So what is that? You do one homework problem. Prove that cos 7x plus cos 5x divided by sin 7x minus sin 5x, it is equal to cot x. You have to prove this value. So you do only this problem homework. Only one problem you have to do homework. Okay? So then what we have to do? Those 8 formulas you have to read, and also I was explained 2 results. So sin a plus b, sin a minus b equal to sin square a minus sin square b. Next one more result also I was explained, cos a plus b into cos a minus b. It is equal to cos square a minus sin square b. So you have to practice those 2 results also. Those 2 results are nothing but formulas also. Okay, right? So thank you students. You have to practice only this question. Only one question you have to solve. Remaining question we will solve in next class. Okay, right? Thank you all.